everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I finally tried the Goddess Box Braids. So this is the finishing result. I am in love with box braids all over, aka Goddess Box Braids. So this is the hair. I just installed it. I am loving it. And I have to say, with just box braids itself, you know, I used to have a hard, difficulty pulling my hair up. I will use like two ponytail holders, no, not two, three, four ponytail holders, and then it will still feel heavy when I put it up. This one, ladies and gent, I can put the whole thing up without even me, like, look at this. It's literally in the palm of my hand. That's how awesome it is. And I can pin it up, like just use just one ponytail holder to put it up. Look how gorgeous this is. I mean, I am in love with box braids all over again. And I love the pieces of hair that I left out, and the curls. They're just dazzle. I love it. Well, to find out how I achieve this beautiful look, stay tuned, and I hope you like it and enjoy it. And please subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And with no further ado, let's get to the video. So I'm starting off on the clean hair. I just washed my hair and I blow dried it. So I'm sectioning the hair off into 4 sections. In this way, it makes it easier for me to just braid the hair. So the curly hair I'm going to be using is the FreeTress Deep Wave. So I'm going to be using very small portion of this hair in each braid. And the main hair that I'm going to be using for the actual braid is the Easy braid hair. Easy braid hair, yeah. So I'm going to be using that one as the main hair. And then obviously you need a scissor. I'm using the Jamaican black castor gel to basically just add onto it as I'm braiding my hair. And then the argan oil is I'm using that on my scalp. I have really bad scalp, dry scalp. So I've been using it a while, so it's helping me a lot. And this is the glue for the lashes. So I'm gonna be using this at the end of each braid to kind of just keep it in place and prevent it from loosening. So this is the FreeTress hair. As you can see, I'm trying to detangle it and split it into smaller pieces for me to use. So I'm using the gel to pretty much just get rid of the frizz that you saw in the curly hair. I'm just kind of wrapping it up and down. And then that's the edge control. You know, us lady gotta try to lay them edges down. So I'm just kind of putting it in the front of my edges to try to grab those little mini hair. And that's the argan oil I'm rubbing on my scalp. And then I used the Jamaican castor gel that I showed you earlier to pretty much just rub it around each braid before I start braiding to hold all of the little bit of pieces of hair around it. And I don't really know how to describe the braiding process. I kind of use the hair in a way where like you're actually doing cornrow, but you're not. There is no other way I can explain it. You just have to kind of pay close attention to it. So I started off the braids, and as you can see earlier, I added the curly hair. So I'm taking one of the curly hair out and just continue braiding. Just keep braiding all the way. Now the hair that this is my first time using the easy braid hair. I like it so far because everything is pretty much set for you to use. Usually I use the expression hair, and I'll have to kind of pull it apart and give it that end look that you see from the easy braid hair. So, oh, there goes the, I'm just putting a little bit of the eye glue, eyelashes glue around the end, and that's it pretty much. You just kind of continue the same cycle till you're done with the braids. I kind of like the little bit of I guess it's goddess braids, so I like the extra curly hair around it hanging off. It's pretty nice. The entire hair is done now, and I left out one braid. I decided to come back and show you guys in slow motion how I did the entire hair. So as you can see, I started off the braids almost like I'm braiding cornrows, but it's not cornrows. There's no other way of explaining it. So I'm braiding it down, and then I just kind of braid the hair all the way to the length that I like it to be, and then I add a piece of the curly hair. I lay it on top of the braids and then continue braiding. I kind of got better at this throughout as I was going along. So I'm adding that hair on top, braiding it down a little bit, and then taking one of the piece out and clipping it on the hair and just keep braiding. This is what gives that goddessness to the braids. So far, I'm liking the weight of the braids. It's not heavy at all, and it looks pretty manageable right now. So we'll see. Yay! The entire hair is done. Amen. The hair is very long. I think it was 22 inches. I was trying to find a 16-inch, but I couldn't find it, so I just went along with the 22 inches. And I did not like it being so long, so I decided to cut it a little bit to, you know, breast length, I guess. And I like this length. It seems to be um, easy to manage. I'm just cutting the length to my liking, and that is pretty much it. It took a while. You know, it takes a longer when you're doing your own hair versus someone else is doing it for you. So that is the finishing look. Okay, so I am enjoying the length. Trying to put it up. Yeah. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.